Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to secure your Temu account and avoid scam or sellers. If you shop often on Temu, keeping your account safe is just as important as finding good deals. Here's how to protect yourself step by step. Open the Temu app and then sign in. At the bottom of your phone, tap U and then click on settings, and then go to account security and then turn on any extra security options like two-step verification if it is available. Fill the verification code and then create a new password and then click on done. After that, what you're gonna do is choose an optional option to get started and then say authenticator app, and that's it. Once you set up your two-step verification, make sure your email and phone number are up to date so Temu can alert you if there's suspicious activity. Use a strong, unique password that you don't use to another app. If it needs update it under password settings. When shopping, always check seller ratings, views, and shipping times before purchasing the item. Privacy tip: never share your verification codes, password, or personal details with anyone. Temu will never ask for them through DMs or random links. Quick fix: if you support a scam seller, go to the order page, tap contact customer service and report the seller immediately. Temu support can review the case and issues refund if needed. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.